Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be giving you a complete tutorial on FxPro. I'm going to show you how you can register and create your account, and then how you can basically start trading on it. So first of all, you need to come here on fxpro.com. Now over here you are going to see the option of open a trading account or register. So you need to select any of these options, and then you will be landed on the registration page. Now on the registration page, you just have to do nothing but to just simply provide your email address, create a strong password for your account. Then you need to provide your first name, your last name, and verify your phone number. So as soon as you do this, you are going to get access to your FX Pro accounts dashboard, which is going to look something like this. Now over here by default it is going to create your real account. So over here you are going to see the real account details, the available balance, the margin, and the leverage. So over here, before clicking on the trade option, you need to add some funds, and before adding the funds you need to also verify your identity. So over here, when you select the option of fund, you will be landed on the next page, where you just have to select any of these deposit methods. Like you can select your local bank account in order to deposit the crypto over here. You can select Binance Pay, USDT, Bitcoin, or any other cryptocurrencies or any other payment methods. So whichever payment method you would like, you need to select that and deposit the funds. Now if you are new to the platform, or if you are new to the broker, you can also select or create the option of demo trading before adding funds to your real account. So select the option of demo accounts, and over here the demo account will not be a default creation. Here you need to select the option of create account, and then you need to select the option of continue with the row plus demo account. Afterwards, wait for some time until your demo account is being created. Now when you have the demo account ready, simply select the option of trade. Then it is going to show you all of your personal details, so you need to select that, and you will be landed on the next page, where you are going to see this type of screen in front of you. So this is going to be the dashboard on which you are going to place your trades. So over here you are going to see different types of forex currencies. So we have Euro USD, we have USD JPY, and gold. So you can also tap on the option of add instrument, and you can add the cryptocurrency, ETF, forex, basically any of the instrument that you would like to basically add over here. So over here on the top, you are going to see the available balance in your account. Here you are going to see all of the details about your account. In the right hand section, we have our chart available, and on top of the chart, we have some of the tools available that we can basically use on our chart in order to basically analyze it. So here, let's say I want to select the gold chart, so I'm just going to select it, and as you can see, this is the gold chart available in front of me. Now over here underneath the gold chart, you are also going to see the buy and the sell option. So you can choose the amount that you want to spend in order to basically purchase the gold. So after selecting, let's say 0.1 lot, you need to basically analyze it and place the order. So you can place the order in the buy side or in the sell side. So let's say I've selected the option of sell. So simply select the option of apply. Now as soon as you select the option of apply, your sell trade will be punched, and all of your positions are going to be shown here inside the positions section. You can also select the option of orders in order to see all of your pending orders. You can also filter it out based on the buy and the sell directions. You can also search for any of the trades that you want to search for. In the right hand section, you can select the option of plus, and you can add the order entry. You can select the watch list. You can add any of the charts, positions, ticker, clock, etc. And then we also have some of the settings option available here, like you can change the time zone, you can select the sound, you can also change the theme, etc. So all in all, that's how you can basically start trading on FX Pro. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.